Hey guys, so it is a snowy day here today and nobody's going anywhere, so I thought what a better way to spend the day than try to wrap my center console of my Porsche 996, as you see here, with some carbon fiber looking vinyl wrap. I've never done this before, so this is my first time. I've tried already last night on the centerpiece right there, and overall, I'm somewhat happy with it. I mean, I've never tried this before. There's a couple little bubbles that looks like formed overnight, or maybe I missed them last night, that I'm not too pleased with, but we'll see. I can always rewrap this, but it does look really cool in this carbon fiber look. So I'm going to try and do the actual center console today. I've already cleaned it, prepped it, wiped it with the lint-free cloth, and I bought this on Amazon. It's a Vvivid, I believe, made by Vvivid. Yeah, Vvivid. It looks like a pretty good quality piece, and I think I paid like $22 with next day air on this thing. So pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with it. It literally showed up 12 hours later. That was amazing.